So in JavaScript, pretty much everything is an object. So the window, the browser, the document you're looking at, they are all objects. And objects have actions or routines that can be performed on them. They are called methods. So to use a method, you have to call it with an object. So the syntax for this is you've got the name of your object followed by a dot and the name of the method. And then in parentheses, if the method needs data, you will pass it in the argument list, the same way that you would pass data to a function. So the difference here is that you have an object invoking the method. So when you're dealing with methods, quite often the argument list is blank, okay? But sometimes there will be data in there. So we already have looked at the alert method. That is a window method. And basically you pass it whatever you want displayed. Now you might be wondering, gee, when we used it before, we didn't have to put a window and a dot in front. The browser assumes window and dot. Okay, window is the object and it's making that assumption. Same with prompt. Okay, we didn't have to put window and dot in front of prompt because it makes the assumption that window is your object. Okay, so we've already used a couple of objects and methods, okay, alert and prompt. I highly recommend going to W3 Schools and working through the interactive example they have on objects, properties, and methods, because this is an excellent tutorial. So it shows you an object. Properties are just features of the object. Okay, so the object is car. So we've got car.name. Name is a property. Car.model. Model is a property. Car.weight. Weight is a property. So is color. Okay, then we've got methods. So methods are actions, they're routines. So you take your object and a dot followed by the name of the method. And these are pretty straightforward. You can pretty much figure out what they do just looking at the name. Okay, and so then it proceeds to give you more information about how you would create these objects in JavaScript. Okay, we are going to be taking a look at this in more detail as well. And to learn more about defining objects, again, I would go into here. And I would definitely read through this because it's showing you different built-in objects that are part of the JavaScript language. Okay, and we will be talking more about these.